Complex problems? Relax, we make them stupid simple. Let's go. School is tough. But you know what's tougher? Sitting through 3 hours of lectures only to realize you understood none of it. Good news. Robots can now help you fake being smart. Let's look at 5 free AI tools every student should be using. Spoiler, they'll save your grades, but not your social life. I'm not saying AI should do all your homework, but if it just so happens to write your essay, explain calculus, and remind you about deadlines, who am I to judge? Here are 5 free AI tools that actually work. And probably won't get you expelled. Probably. First, ChatGPT, the robot therapist of education. Ask it to explain quantum physics like you're 5, and it actually will. Ask it to write a 3-page essay. Boom. Done. Just maybe fact-check it. Because sometimes it lies confidently, like that one kid in class who never read the book, but still talks the loudest. Second, Grammarly. Look, your writing sucks. Don't argue. Grammarly politely fixes your disasters so you stop sounding like a caveman. Suddenly, your essay goes from "me no understand history" to "ah yes, the socio-political implications of the Cold War." Congratulations. You sound smart now. Still lazy but smart. Third, Notion AI. Think of it as your digital mum. It organizes your notes, plans your week, and reminds you of that project you were totally about to forget. The only difference? Notion won't yell at you for ignoring it, but it will silently judge you while your GPA crumbles. Fourth, Quizlet AI. You know all those boring chapters you swore you'd read? Yeah, Quizlet makes flashcards out of them instantly. It's like TikTok for studying. Except instead of cat videos, you get definitions and quizzes. Still addictive. Just way less fun. Fifth, Perplexity AI. Think of it as Google's less annoying cousin. Instead of dumping 500 links on you, it just gives you an actual answer. With sources, like actual citations. Which means you can finally turn in research that doesn't look like it came from a conspiracy theory subreddit. Huge upgrade. So yeah, ChatGPT, Grammarly, Notion AI, Quizlet AI, and Perplexity AI. Use them all, and you might survive finals week without selling your soul. Remember, AI won't replace students, but it will keep you from crying in the library at 2 a.m. You're welcome. Because unlike your GPA, this channel actually goes up if you put in some effort. Subscribe, seriously, the robot's already judging you.